Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how I can format a USB to make this work on both macOS and Windows. So I will show you very quick in this video. To make this USB or SD card or any kind of hard drive to work on both macOS and Windows, you have no other choice that you need to format all the drive to exFAT format. I will show you how to format this USB to exFAT, keeping all the files in both Windows and macOS right now. First of all, you need to connect your USB to your PC. I'm using Microsoft Surface right now, so I will use an OTG adapter right here to change to USB Type-C, and I will connect to my Windows device right now. As you can see, Windows device recognize my USB, and then I will go to File Explorer over here. After that, you navigate to this PC, and you can see we have my USB over here. And now to format this one, you will right click to this USB and you choose Format over here. After that, you will see this table pop up. This one is the format type you want to choose. Normally, the default format is NTFS, the default format for any kind of Windows device. But if you want to format to exFAT, you need to change it. You will choose this one and you change to exFAT. After that, you set up your volume label and you choose this one to have a quick format, or you want to have a very clean format, you can uncheck this one to have a clean format, but it will take a couple times, so I will choose quick format. Okay, now I click start, and then it's a warning that all the data on my USB will be removed, so I will click OK. The formatting is complete. Now my USB is ready now for exFAT format. I will show you very quick how to connect this USB to your macOS device. Because macOS device only have Type-C ports, so you need to have a USB OTG adapter like this, or you can use a USB Type-C hub like I have right now. So I will connect my USB to my USB Type-C hub over here. Okay, as you can see here, I connected successfully my USB to my macOS device, and you can see over here my USB are recognized by my MacBook. So now how you can format this USB? You have two ways. The first way is you right click right into the desktop over here and you choose the erase disk option. The other way is you go to the folder over here and you will see we have an exFAT is my USB over here, and you choose this one, you right click and you choose erase disk. I will choose this option. After that, you can see we have a pop-up window over here. You can set up the new USB name. Now you need to choose the format. By default, Apple will choose the NTFS. This one is default Apple file format that come with all the macOS device. But if you want to format to exFAT, you need to choose exFAT over here, and then you choose erase. Now we have another pop-up that shows you all the data will be deleted, so you just need to click erase. After that, you finally finish format your USB to exFAT. Now you can safely remove your USB out of your macOS device. After you format the USB to exFAT, you need to connect again your USB to the USB Type-C adapter right here, and I will make a test for you connect to macOS and Windows. First of all, I will test in macOS. As you can see, I have my USB over here that connects successfully to my macOS. Okay, now I will remove my USB and I will connect to my Microsoft Surface. It's a Windows device over here. As you can see, again, this USB are recognized by my Windows device and it's work normally. I will show you right here. You can see we have exFAT over here and it's work normally. So that is a way you can set up your USB to work on both macOS and Windows. That's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.